Out Inox Leisure, the board will mull merger of Satyam Cineplexes with the company on the 25th of September. Deepak Asher, the president and director of Inox, joins in now to talk more about that. Deepak, hi, good morning. Can you just tell us about the proposal to merge Satyam Cineplex and what it would actually bring to the table in terms of combined revenues for the company?
Well, hi, good morning and thanks for having me. In a sense, this merger was on the cards for quite a while. As you know, we acquired Satyam Cineplexes about a month ago. And since it's a 100% subsidiary of Inox Leisure, we thought it would make eminent sense for us to merge that entity with Inox Leisure so that we have the combined benefits of revenue as well as the synergies of the economies of scale that both these operations together will bring to us.
Okay, how does it change? Will your equity number of equity shares increase?
I don't think so. Well, you know, obviously it's for the board to decide, but as far as I believe, it's a 100% subsidiary, so there won't be any additional shares issued. It will just be merged with the existing operations of Inox Leisure. And since there's no outside shareholders, there won't be the need to issue shares to compensate any outside shareholders for that.
Okay, can you give us any indication of what the synergies will be in terms of how much your combined revenues could grow, how long it will take for the brand integration, etc., since you've just acquired the company?
Well, obviously the benefits of synergy will not just be the sum of the parts. So it's not just the revenues of Inox Leisure and the revenues of Satyam adding together, but we believe the sum would be larger than the parts because of the fact that, as I said, there would be economies of scale, there would be synergies of operations. A lot of common infrastructure that is currently being duplicated will be avoided. We believe because of the larger footprint across the breadth of the country, we'll be able to negotiate better with supply chain in sourcing both content as well as some of the other inputs that go into operations, and that I believe should help improve our bottom line.
Okay, actually you'll go up from 320 screens to 358 screens, right? With this?
Yeah, that would obviously happen, but as I said, the benefit would be more than just that. Satyam also has a pipeline in addition to our own pipeline.
Okay. So what will the year-end number of multiplexes looks like, or say a year down the line, FY16 total screens?
Well, I don't believe I can make futuristic projections because of regulations, but as I said, the momentum of growth that we had witnessed over the past could only grow stronger because of the combined synergies of both these chains.
Okay. Since this acquisition gives you an entry into the northern Indian markets, into the Delhi market, what kind of market share are you hoping to gain there?
Well, in terms of market share, frankly speaking, in none of those catchments would it be very significant. But at the same time, fact of the matter is that northern markets are much more lucrative. Satyam properties are amongst the best performing properties in the multiplex industry. And our own average ticket price on a blended basis has witnessed a significant growth because of the Satyam ticket prices being almost as high as the highest in the industry.
All right.
So all that is a positive.
Okay, Deepak, we'll leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us. So this is the merger. Remember, the acquisition was already done in July a couple of months ago, and now they're merging the company.